Hi students, good morning to all. Hope you all are staying safe at home by the God's grace. Today we are going to learn exercise 2.2 from the chapter 2 measurements. Yes, in the last video we learned about the circumference of the circle. In this video we are going to learn this area of the circle. Yes, area of the circle. So here you in the last week, that is last video, you have learned about the length of the boundary. Okay, only about this boundary you know the measure, right? So in this video, that is this video section, you are going to learn about the area which is between the boundary. Okay, this is said to be the area of the circle. This is the area inside the circle. So this areas is area of the circle A is equal to pi r square units. This pi bears the value 22 by 7 or 3.14, and here this is said to be the radius. You all know r is the radius of the circle. Clear? This is the concept which you are going to use in this whole exercise. Clear? Once more, area of the circle A is equal to pi r square unit. Area is nothing but the interior space, that is the area which is present inside the boundary. Okay, now we are going to measure the area which is inside the circle. Okay, so that is said to be the area of the circle. Clear? Okay, next exercise 2.2, first question. Find the area of the dining table whose diameter is 105 centimeter. Okay, diameter of the dining table, they have been given it as 105 centimeters, that is D. Okay, D is equal to 105 centimeter. From D we can able to find R, because we know that D is equal to 2R. Therefore, R is equal to D by 2. Okay, this implies R is equal to D by 2. This implies R is equal to D by 2. D is equal to 105 by 2 centimeter. When we divide 105 by 2, we are getting 52.5. Okay, therefore R is equal to 52.5 centimeter. With the help of R, we can able to find the area of the dining table. Okay, so area of the dining table is equal to pi r square units. Okay, because area of the dining table is nothing but the dining table is in the format of a circle. That's why they have given the radius. So with the help of the radius, we are going to find the value 22 by 7 into 52.5 into 52.5. Okay, so 7 table, 1 7 is 7, 7 sevens are 49, remainder 3, again here is a point, and 5 sevens are 35, because 3 remainder it becomes 35. So now we have to calculate the value for 22 into 7.5 into 52.5. When you find the value of 52 into 7.5, we are getting the solution as 393.75. After that we have to multiply it with 22. So when we multiply it with 22, we are getting 8662.50. Therefore the answer is 8662.50 centimeter square or square centimeter. If you write the 0 after the decimal, it is not at all problem, because 0 doesn't bears any value. Clear? Thus, the area of the dining table is 8662.50 centimeter square or square centimeter. Clear? Yes. Next, second question. Calculate the area of the short put circle whose radius is 2.135 meter. Okay. Again, they have given the short put circle. It is in the shape of a circle, and the radius it has been given as 2.135 meter. So with the help of the radius, we are going to find the area of the short put circle. So radius of the short put circle, that is R, is equal to 2.135 meter. Therefore, area of the short put circle is equal to pi r square unit, which is equal to 22 by 7. Since the value of pi is 22 by 7 into 2.135 into 2.135, because square is nothing but you want to multiply it 2 times. Okay, so 1 7 is 7. So since we have point, put one point here. So 3 sevens are 21. Again put 0 because we can't divide it. Again include 5, therefore 5 sevens are 35. So the answer for this is 0.305. Now multiply 22 into 0.305 into 2.135. So when we calculate, we are getting the answer that 0.651175, and after multiplying it with 22 we are getting 14.325850, which is equal to 14.325850 meter square or square meter. Okay, so you can round up the value here with 2 decimals, or you can keep the whole decimal. If you want to round up the decimal, just whole number as it is. After decimal, if you want 1 decimal number, you can round up here, or if you want 2 decimal number, you can round up here. But the thing is, which number you are going to rounding off, next to that number should be equal to 5 or more than 5, or it should be less than 5. If less than 5, you can keep the same value. If it is equal to 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 to that value. Okay, so now 14.32, I want 2 decimal, the third decimal is 5, so I will add 1, therefore the answer will be 14.33 meter square or square meter. Okay, clear? Yes, thus the area of the shot put circle is 14.325850 meter square. Clear? Yes. Yes, third question. A sprinkler placed at the center of a flower garden sprays water covering a circular area. If the area watered in 1386 centimeters square, find its radius and diameter. I think you would have gone for any park. There you can see, or a big place which has the garden. There you can see that there won't person standing and pouring water for the plants. There will be a sprinkler. It rotates round shape. Okay, it rotates slightly round, and it pours the water until the way it reaches a circle shape, because it rotates and makes a circle. So the place where the sprinkler water will make a shape of circle. Okay, the same way here, a sprinkler placed at the center of the flower garden, it sprays the water. Okay, and it can only cover the area which is in the shape of a circle. Okay, other than that it can't cover. Okay, that is what the question we have. If the area watered is 1386 centimeter square, with the help of that we are going to find the radius and diameter. Solution: area of the watered circular path is equal to 1386 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the circular shaped water path is equal to, we know, since it is area of a circle, we have pi r square units. Now, what is the area of the circular shaped water pot? It is 1386. Just substitute, and here substitute the value of pi and r square. Since r we have to find, just substitute other things. 1386, this 7 goes to the other side, it becomes into 7, and when 22 comes to the next part, it becomes divided by 22. Okay, so 11 2s are 22. The same way, 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 9 2s are 18, again 6 3 2s are 6. Clear? Okay, fine. Next, again go with 11 table. 1 11 is 11 here. 6 11s are 66, remainder 3, 3 11s are 33. Therefore, we have 63 into 7, which is equal to R2. So now the thing is, we need to find R, but here we have only R2. So what we have to do is we go for L division. So when we go for this, 63, 7 9s are 63, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now 63 has been converted to 7 into 3 into 3 into this 7. So here 2 3s are there, 2 7s are there. We'll write it as 7 into 3 the whole square, which is equal to R square. Since we know the rule that power is same, if the power is same, then base also same. So if power is the same, we can equate the base. So this implies R is equal to 7 into 3. Therefore, R is equal to 21 centimeter. So now we got the value of the radius. Again we have one more thing, we need to find the diameter. Since D is equal to 2 into R, which is equal to 2 into 21 centimeter, Therefore, D is equal to 42 centimeter. Thus, the circular watered area has the radius and diameter of 21 centimeter and 42 centimeter respectively. Next, we will move on to the fourth question. The circumference of the circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. Okay, so they have given the length of the outer boundary of the park, and they are asking us to find the area of the park. So with the help of the circumference, we can able to find the radius. After finding the radius, we can find the area of the park. Clear? Circumference of the circular park is equal to 352 meter. Since circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r, which is equal to 352, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 352. Take the 22 by 7 to the other side, it becomes 7 by 22, and when you take 2 by 1 to the other side, it becomes 1 by 2. So this 22 and 2, it is in the numerator. When it goes to the other side, it becomes in the denominator, and the number which is in the denominator, when it goes to the other side, it becomes in the numerator. Now cancel. 2 11s are 22. Here 3 11s are 33. Reminder to 2 11s are 22. Okay. Again 1 2 is 2. Here 8 2s, 16 2s are 32. Again when we cancel with 2, 8 2s are 16. Clear? Therefore, r is equal to 8 into 7, r is equal to 56 meter. Now we got the radius. With the help of the radius, therefore area of the circular park is equal to pi r square units, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 56 into 56. 1 7 is 7, 8 7s are 56. So now we have to calculate 22 into 8 into 56. 22 into 8 is 176, and after multiplying it with 56, we are getting 9856. Therefore, the answer is 9856 meter square or square meter. Thus, the area of the circular park is 9856 meter square or square meter. Yes? Okay. Let's move on to the fifth question. So, fifth question, in a grassland, a sheep is tethered by a rope of length 4.9 meter. Find the maximum area that the sheep can graze. Nothing. There is a land. In that land, here is the stick, okay, where is fixed to the ground, and the sheep is here. The sheep is here, okay. This is nothing. This radius is nothing but the length of the rope between the sheep and the stick, okay. Now what's the thing is, with the help of this length only, it can able to graze the land where the sheep is placed, right? So think over that. Now the length is here. With the help of the rope, the sheep can go to the maximum end here. That the same way it can graze this all part fully till the boundary makes a circle, because when radius is there, the only shape which we can make is the circle, right? So the sheep can eat the area which can make the shape of a circle. So now we are going to see what is the area of this place which the sheep have grazed, okay. So let the rope is equal to, we know that it is the radius of the circle, therefore r is equal to 4.9 meter, okay, 4.9 meter. Now therefore the maximum area that the sheep can graze is equal to area of the circle, because with the help of the length of the rope, it can graze the place where it was tied, but only thing is it can graze the grass in the shape of the circle, right? Therefore it is equal to pi r square units, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9. So 1 7 is 7, 0.7 into 7 will gives you 4.9. So now I am going to multiply 4.9 into 0.7, we are getting 3.43, and when you multiply 3.43 into 22, we are getting 75.46. Therefore, it is equal to 75.46 square meter or meter square. Thus, the maximum area that the sheep can graze is 75.46 square meter or meter square. Next, we will move on to the sixth question. Find the length of the rope by which a bull must be tethered in order to that it may be able to graze an area of 2464 meters square. You already learnt in the before question, if there is a length of a rope and if any of the bull or sheep is allowed to eat the grass, it can make only it can eat the place where it can only make a form of a circle, right? The same way, if the bull is there and it is also tethered with the help of the rope to graze the land, it also again makes the same circle, right? Now what is the thing is, there they have asked about the area, right? Here they have given the area and they are asking the length of the rope, okay? So area with the bull grazed is equal to area of the circle, which we already seen. Therefore, area with the bull graze is nothing but it grazed the field which is in the circular shape. So we have to go with the area of the circle. So area of the circle is nothing but it has grazed 2464, okay? So which is equal to pi r square units. So 2464 is equal to 22 by 7 into r square. Yes. So 2464, there in the previous step 22 by 7 is in the left hand side, right hand side. When it go to the left hand side, denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So 2464 into 7 by 22. So 11 2s are 22 and here 2 times 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, again 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again 1 11s are 11, so 1 11 is 11, remainder 2, so again 1 11 is 11, again 2 22, therefore again 2 11s are 22, clear? So 112 into 7 is equal to r square. So now we have to split this 102 in form of squares, therefore go for L division. So 112, 2 times 56, again 2 times 28, again 2 times 14, 2 times 7, 7 times 7, okay? So therefore instead of 112 you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, already one 7 is there. So 2 7s, 2 2s and 2 2s. So go with square, 2 into 2 into 7, the whole square is equal to r square. Since we will already know that if power is same then base is same, therefore we can equate the base. R is equal to 2 into 2 into 7, therefore R is equal to 28 meter. Thus the length of the rope by which a bull must be tethered is 28 meter. Clear? Yes. Now 7th question, Lalita wants to buy a round carpet of radius 63 centimeter for her hall. Find the area that will be covered by the carpet, okay? So if the hall, always the hall will be in the format of a rectangular shape. If not, it should be little irregular, that too the shape which the person wants, but we will have that parallelogram shape, right? So but whatever the shape is, when you place a round carpet, it can occupy the space of the area of a circle, right? Therefore, now with the help of the question, we got that the radius of that circle is nothing but, that is round carpet is nothing but 63 centimeter. Therefore, area covered by the carpet is equal to nothing but the area of the circle, isn't it? So which is equal to pi r square units. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 63 into 63. 7 9s are 63. So we have 22 into 9. 22 into 9 will gives you 198. After 198 is multiplied with 63, we are getting 12,474. Therefore, which is equal to 12,474 centimeter square or square centimeter. Thus, the area covered by the round carpet is 12,474 centimeter square or square centimeter. Fine. Now, 8th question. Tenmuri wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is 49 meter at the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. Find the cost of leveling. Okay. A girl named Tenmuri, she want to level the flower garden, that is she want to make the floor of that garden which should be same, okay? without any ups and downs. Okay, so for that, for 1 meter, okay, for 1 meter square, she is going to be charged 150 rupee. Now she is asking how much will be the cost for me to level this whole area, which is the area of a circle, that to the diameter is 49 meter. Okay, let's see. Yes, whenever a question is having a whenever a question has the word cost of leveling, we have to first find the area of the given part. If we find the area only, we can able to calculate the cost of the leveling or painting, whatever. Okay, so now diameter of the circular flower garden D is equal to 49 meter. This implies R is equal to D by 2, which is equal to 49 by 2 meter, which is equal to, when you divide 49 by 2, you are getting 24 by 0.5. Okay, therefore R is equal to 24.5 meter. Okay, so now we got the radius. With the help of the radius, we can able to find the circular gardens area, that is circular flower gardens area. Therefore area of the circular flower garden is equal to pi r square units, 22 by 7 into 24.5 into 24.5. so 1 7 is 7, 3.5 into 7 is 24.5, which is equal to, now we have to calculate 24.5 into 3.5, we are getting 85.75. After multiplying 85.75 into 22, we are getting 1886.50. Therefore the answer is 1886.50 square meter or meter square. Since the cost of leveling 1 meter square is equal to rupees 150, therefore the cost of leveling the area which the flower garden has to be, what is that, level, it is 1886.5 meter square, which is equal to 1886.5 into rupees 150. When you multiply 1886.5 into 150, you are getting 2,82,975. Thus the cost of leveling is 2,82,975 rupees. Clear? Okay, we'll move on to the ninth question. Ninth question, the floor of the circular swimming pool whose radius is 7 meter has to be cemented at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Find the total cost of cementing the floor. There is a floor in, there is a swimming pool in that, you know, in where the water is being where the water is place, there we have the floor, right? That floor has to be cemented. Okay, so there they are saying that the floor has the radius of, that is the swimming pool has the radius as 7 meter, automatically it makes a circle. So we can now find that the swimming pool is in the format of a circle, and now we are going to cement the floor. For cementing or leveling, I have said that if you want to find the cost, we have to find the area first, which we are going to do. Okay, so therefore with the help of the radius, we are going to find the area. Area of the circular swimming pool R is equal to 7 meter. Therefore area of the floor of the circular swimming pool is equal to, area of the floor of the circular swimming pool is equal to pi r square units. So which is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. 20 into 7 is equal to 154. Therefore it is equal to 154 meter square or square meter. Since in the question they have given cost of cementing per meter square is equal to rupees 18, therefore cost of cementing 154 meter square is equal to 154 into rupees 18. So when we multiply 154 into 18, we are getting 2772. Therefore, thus the cost of cementing the floor of the circular swimming pool is rupees 2772. Okay, I am sure that you students are very clear with the problems which we discussed today. If you have any doubt, go through the video again and again until you understand. Thank you students. Have a nice day. God bless you. Bye-bye.